YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Joneses, and if you've been here before, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, welcome. You're going to get to see a lot of heat on this channel, and I've always got something nice. So I appreciate y'all that have stuck along the way. I know it's been a long time since I've uploaded. It's been 2 weeks, but I ran out of storage on my phone, and I had to go buy this case that adds storage to your phone. So I went out to go look for it. Best Buy didn't have it, so I had to order it, and it finally came in. So now we're Gucci. You know, we're back on the upload grind. I got some heat, as y'all can see. Today we got 2 shoes. I'm excited to show y'all these. Let's go ahead and get right into it. So up first, we got the Jordan 12 University Golds. Now, I know these came out a little while ago, but let me explain to y'all why these haven't been on my channel yet. So real quick, I'm gonna pull them out actually so you can see them. I know y'all probably seen them before, but these are tough. Like, just look at this shoe. Let me get the other one out. Man, these are they're nasty. And here's the thing. So these came out, right? And I was at the mall. I was supposed to get a pair, and I was there early. And the people that were there, like trying to get a pair, they were all acting crazy and all this stuff. So the store I was at ended up shutting it down and saying they weren't releasing them that day, so they ended up releasing them the next day. Well, I didn't know that, and I was supposed to get a pair that day, so I was pissed. So I come to find out they released them the next day without anyone knowing, and they sold out. So I was super heated. I really wanted this shoe, but there's this new store in my city, and they are like a boutique or like consignment store, and they're super dope. They got a lot of shoes, but I went in there today, and they had these in my size, so I went ahead and grabbed them. But let's go ahead and get right into the shoes. So we got the University Gold 12s, and these are just tough shoes. So up first, we got this nice leather and black right here on the upper, and then we got this yellow reptile leather that's like super tumbled right here. It's like a goldish yellow. Same with the bottom, but the bottom, if you look closely, I don't know how well y'all can see that, the bottom is like a translucent yellow. It's super dope. But 6'6" shoe. I really love 12s, and I don't know if y'all remember, but in one of my recent videos I was talking about the eyelets on shoes. This is the shoe I was talking about. The eyelets were supposed to be metal, but these are plastic. If you look, these are plastic. So yeah, Jordan needs to get that right. But this is a 6 shoe. We got a black upper with the yellow, and it's just super nasty colorway. I can't wait to rock these. I'm probably going to rock them tomorrow once again. This is another shoe that will go straight to the toe. But I'm super excited to have these. I wanted these so bad. Like, y'all don't understand. I wanted a pair of 12s, but when these came out, I wanted these so bad. And 12s are just super comfortable, super clean, and really sleek look. And then we got the same stuff on this shoe. That's a little Jumpman right here. It's a little plastic Jumpman piece. My bad. I don't know why I can't speak. But there's some crazy stuff about this shoe. So like, the quality control on these shoes was terrible. Like, people were getting their shoes with glue stains, like they were missing eyelets. Stitching was messed up. This Jumpman right here is really inconsistent on a lot of pairs. If you look at my pair, it's inconsistent. So this one is like a lot higher. The Jumpman word is a lot higher. I don't know how well y'all can see that, but it's a lot higher than on this shoe, where this shoe is like closer to the bottom of or closer to the rubber outsole. I don't know how well y'all can see that. Let me show you. But yeah, so there were a lot of problems, but it's like 3 different types of leathers. And then one thing that really irritates me about this shoe is this little black piece right here. So it's like this matte, sort of matte. It's still a little shiny, but this little piece right here I don't feel like it really goes well with the shoe. Same with the Jumpman tabs. Like, they're not even the same yellow. So I did not like that. But other than that, it's a 6 shoe still. I'm glad I have them. On the back, we got that 23. We got the Jumpman, and then it says Jordan, quality inspired by the greatest player ever. And y'all already know. Apparently Jordan's the greatest ever, but I think it's Bron. Anyways, as he's about to get his 4-3. Yeah, so we got these University Gold 12, super dope shoe. I'm excited to have them. Let's go ahead and move them out the way and get to the next shoe. And if you're enjoying this video, make sure you drop a like. Also, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, subscribe to your boy. I'm always uploading. I was off a little bit, but we're back now. And let's go ahead and get into the next shoe. Also, leave a comment, talk to your boy. I respond to them all. But this shoe right here, man, this is just a sick colorway. So right here, we got the Oregon 5s or the Elevate 5s. This is the retro of them. And it's just super sick shoe. Like, look at the box. I love this box. I don't know how many of y'all have seen it before, but it's the same box as my Unions right here. Super sick box. I love it. I love how the top like pops open. But you see, we got this nice black paper. Oh yeah, and we also got these black laces, and then it says 2-3 on the front of these. I'm excited to have this shoe, but these are going to get beat. I'm not going to lie. But this shoe right here, usually I get my shoes and try them on. I haven't even tried these on yet. I laced them up. These Oregon 5s are sick. So we got this nice black paper. I always say that. I don't know what's so cool about the paper. But yo, so look, when these drop, I picked them up. I had 2 pair. I had one in Greenville and then one in Goldsboro. I told Bill, I was like, yo, if you want the one in Goldsboro, I'll give it to you for a tad bit above retail. Nobody wanted them, so I left them for the public. But these are just super sick. I drove to Greenville again, which is like an hour away. But just look at this beautiful, beautiful shoe. Oh my goodness. So yes, I have laced them up already. Super dope shoe. And I can't wait to get in and go through it with y'all. So let's get the other shoe out of the box and just show y'all this super dope box. I love these boxes. Love how it has a little hole right here. But let's go ahead and get this box out the way and show y'all. So look, there is an Oregon 5 Ducks, Oregon 5 Jordan Ducks colorway. I just got that all mixed up. But it's the same exact shoe, but on the back there's a duck, and then on the tongue there's a big O, and they're like $5,000. So they finally decided to retro these, and I was so excited to get them. I remember when I was younger, I used to be the biggest Oregon Duck fan, and I don't know what it was. They just kind of fell off over time, but these are just sick. So let's go ahead and get into the shoe. So we got this nice green, what looks like it might be suede upper, but it's really not. I don't know what it is. It feels like it like wicks moisture, I'm guessing, but it's like this nice like green apple upper. And then on the back it says quality why is this on every shoe? Quality products inspired by the greatest basketball player ever on the back. And I think, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I think this looks better to me than the duck logo. Like the duck logo is super dope, don't get me wrong, but I think this is more simple and clean. We got the Frankenstein stitching around it. Then the inside is like, if you can see that, I don't know how well y'all can see that, but the lining is like carbon fiber fabric or something like that. It looks like carbon fiber, but we also got that Elevate on the tongue. And I don't know if y'all have seen it already. I do have the flash on, but the tongue is also 3M with this black Jumpman on it. They only come with one set of laces. They're black laces, and then this freaking lace lock is super sick. It's like this dark, clear, like smoke color, smoke gray, and then it has a black like little plastic piece. But then we got the rubber midsole that's black with the yellow shark teeth right here, and then the icy blue bottoms. Man, I love the icy blue bottoms, but I also like how this little transparent piece is like darker, so it kind of like stands out a little bit more. But they're super sick shoe. I'm in love with this shoe. I'm telling you, I cannot wait to wear these. I bought a shirt as a Nike shirt, plain Nike shirt, that I plan on wearing with these, and I just haven't worn them yet. I kind of been waiting to get this video out, but I haven't been able to record, because every time I record, the recording would just stop, and then I'd be like, damn. Like, so now I'm finally getting to record these, and I finally get to look at these again, and these are just super dope to me. Like, I love this shoe so much. This will probably be how I lace them. I think I'm gonna do this one. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna do this one. This is one thing I don't like. They did come with some creasing. I don't know how well y'all can see that, but they came with some creasing, and I wasn't too happy about that. I literally have not worn them, but it's whatever. They'll probably come out, or I mean, they're gonna get creased anyways. I'll put crease protectors in them to try not to get them any worse, but it's whatever. But that's all we got today, man. I hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button, and like I said, man, this super sick shoe. They did sell out. I think they're selling for like $270 right now, which ain't bad, but that is a little bit on the higher end for fives, as fives have not been selling for much at all lately. Like, any pair of fives you've seen on my channel other than the off-white fives, I guarantee you they're selling for like dirt cheap. But same with these 12s. These came out. These are only selling for like $230, $240, which I'm surprised. I thought these were going to be selling for a lot, but they're not selling for that much. I'll put a screenshot up so you can see how much they're going for in a size 10, which is my size. I'm not too sure about the other sizes, but I'm pretty sure these are like $230 and these are at like $270, $275. But super sick shoes. Like I said, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Also hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything, and hit the post notification button actually so you don't miss anything. That way, every time I upload, you can tune in and see what heat I got. But once again, we got the University Gold 12s and we got the Oregon 5s, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video today. I promise y'all I got a lot more heat coming. I don't think y'all have seen those ones on the channel yet. You know what? I'm gonna look out and show y'all them real quick. So this right here, these are the Zen green ones. And these have become my beaters, but I've been trying to build my one collection lately, as y'all know. And I bought these, and this shoe is just super, super sick. So they came with this, a set of black laces with green aglets. I'm not even gonna put Phineas and Ferb in this time, but they have like green aglets, and then they come with another like color that matches the lining with black aglets. But I decided to take off-white laces and put them in these because I wanted white laces in these, and I think it makes these look really good. So let's go over some of this shoe. So we got this nice plush black leather on the toe right here, and then all around the shoe we got an all black wings logo, which I'm just not realizing that's actually kind of dope. But these are a Zoom, an Air Jordan Zoom. So let me tell you, when I tell y'all these shoes are dumb comfortable, like they're insanely comfortable, which is why they become my beater. But we've got this, like, I don't even know what to call this. It feels like the backside of leather, I want to say. It is the black side of leather. But nah, it's the back side of leather, and they just dyed it green. Super sick. One of the best things about this is this white rubber midsole, and then this 3M swoosh. The swoosh is 3M. It's super sick. But the bottoms, man, look at the bottoms. This is just sick. I love this about the Zoom, the icy blue bottoms with like the color change, and these, they're red into green. And this is super, super sick shoe. I don't know why I haven't put it up yet. I have a couple shoes that y'all haven't seen yet that I've been picking up lately. So just stay tuned. I'll make sure I put them in. But anyways, Zen green ones, I mean, they're not that hype. They're going for like $215. But if you want a pair, grab a pair. They're not selling for much at all. You could probably find a pair cheaper. Throw some white laces in them. I promise you, people will like them. People slept on these super hard. They didn't like them. I grabbed them. This is the easiest cop I've got off sneakers ever, and I was just happy to get them. Super comfortable, beautiful neon green, or whatever green you want to call that, lining inside of there. Just a dope shoe, super comfortable. But once again, man, like I said, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I know I sound like a broken record, but I wanted to get these out here, show y'all some of the heat I've been picking up lately, because I have been slacking. And it's partially because I had to wait for this extra storage, but at the same time, no excuses. But Zen green ones, like I said, University Gold 12s, and then we got the Oregon 5s. These are super, I love this shoe so much. I don't think I'm gonna ever get rid of these, but like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload. And I appreciate you, man. It's your boy Joneses. Y'all know I stay drip. I appreciate all the love. Peace.
These niggas be funny, while I'm chasing the money. This bitch tryna play me like dummy. Hop on that dick like a bunny, hop on that dick like a bunny, stuffing the blues in my pockets, pockets. I'm tryna take off like the Rockets, Rockets. Tryna take off like the Rockets, I'm tryna take off like the Rockets, Make mama proud, I got the shit came from the ground. These pussy niggas not allowed, they counted me out, I guess they can't count. But I'ma shit on niggas now, I'ma shit on these niggas right now, I been fuck that bitch, you bugging. Passing that bitch, soccer, rugby. Passing that bitch. I want a bitch that's gon' stay down and love me. Yeah, she gon' love me. Young nigga turning nothing to something. Yeah. She in love with the dick and she turned to a junkie. Swerving the jigs, watching for undies, counting the change while I chop down an onion. You can't come in this room here unless you fucking. You can't come in this room here unless you fucking. Yeah. I get a chopper on me. Do you want it? Do you want it? I'm breaking that bitch back till the morning. Till the morning. Can't fuck with these niggas, they cops. That nigga a bitch like his pop. She giving top, I call her thought. These niggas be acting like bitches. They like to gossip, they like to talk. This bitch do whatever I tell her. After I fuck, I let her walk. Yeah. After I fuck, I let her walk. Yeah. You like the shit that I'm poppin'. I know. If they don't like me, I ain't stopping. Doing this shit like it's my only option. These niggas ask nigga like Posse, don't know what he on. Now we gotta watch him. Yeah. Don't know what he on. Now we gotta watch him. These niggas be funny. While I'm chasing the money, this bitch tryna play me like dummy. Hop on the dick like a bunny. Hop on the dick like a bunny. Stuffing the blues in my pockets. I'm tryna take off like the Rockets. I'm tryna take off like the Rockets. Tryna take off like the Rockets. These niggas be funny. While I'm chasing the money, this bitch tryna play me like dummy. Hop on the dick like a bunny. Hop on the dick like a bunny.